Hello all, the main agenda about doing this video is to give you some information regarding Python. So let's get started with the session now. Python is a programming language that we all know. So by using Python, we can write efficient programs and also we can develop softwares, applications, games and all. And Python is a high level popular object oriented language. It is a high level language, it is a most popular language and also it is a object oriented language. When it comes to the popularity of Python, Python is in great demand. And you have to know why Python is so popular. Than learning any other programming languages, learning Python is so simple and easy. Python is extremely a friendly language. We can also say that it is a very beginner friendly language. So syntax of Python is extremely simple and easy to read and simple and easy to follow. Comparing to other languages, Python have some unique features. Let's see what they are. So the first unique feature of Python is that Python is the easiest language than any other language. It is easy to learn and a very simple language while comparing with the other languages. And it is the most important unique feature of Python. So let's move on to the next feature. Python is free and open source. So you can use Python even for commercial use. You can even change the source code. Actual source code can also be changed and you can make changes as you want and you can implement. There is no issues regarding that. So the next important feature is that portability. Python language can be moved from one platform to the other platform like Windows, Mac, Linux, any platform. Extensible and embeddable. You can combine Python language with any other programming languages and you can improve your performance. So next feature is that interpreted language. So high level interpreted language, which means that there is no need of low level task in Python. So no need to manage any low level task, that is not required. So Python will easily convert your code to a machine readable code. Supports many different libraries, abundant libraries. Python provides large standard libraries. And the next most important feature of Python is that object oriented language. It is an object oriented language, like it supports all concepts of OOPs. Developers, software engineers, even hackers love Python language because of its versatility, flexibility and object oriented features. So therefore it's recommendable for both beginners and experienced programmers. And also there are plenty of websites and plenty of ways on how to learn and where to learn Python. You can learn Python for free. I'll be mentioning some of the top websites for learning Python from where you can learn easily. So these are some of the top websites to learn Python for free. I hope this video is useful. If you feel this video might helpful to others, please do share this video with them and comment about this video, and if you know any other websites to learn Python, please do comment below.